Hello and welcome back to Computer Square. I am Haripriya and in today's video I'll be talking about doctype. Like what is doctype and how to write it while creating HTML pages. So, what is doctype? Doctype is also known as document type declaration. It is basically a declaration of what type of document you are creating. It is an information to the browser about the type of the document that you are going to create. It means when we use this declaration, the document becomes easier to read, maintain and extend by the browsers when you declare the document type while programming in HTML. So the question is, how to write it? The syntax of adding doctype declaration is various according to the HTML versions. This declaration syntax depends on the HTML version that you are using for developing web pages. As you see here, HTML version 2.0, 3.0 and 4.0.1 have a bit lengthy syntax of declaration. But the last HTML version, means HTML 5.0, have very simple syntax. I am going to show you the HTML version 5.0 declaration because it is widely used nowadays. Plus, it has more features in comparison to earlier versions of HTML, and each browser supports almost every feature of this latest version. So this is basic structure of any web page. Now you will need to write the declaration before starting the HTML tag. That's it. Now I am saving this file named as doctype.html on my desktop. As you can see here, I have got this file on the desktop with the icon of Google Chrome. To execute my file, I am going to double click on the file and here we go. So you will not see any changes on the web page directly, but after including this one line declaration in your programming, on the execution, your browser will be informed that you have used HTML version 5.0 for developing the web page. Here important thing is doctype is not a tag. So no need to add a closure or an end tag for it. Plus, like other HTML elements, it is also case insensitive. While this declaration may not seem too important if you just want a home page, but when you have a whole site to maintain, a well-structured documents can make your programming experience a lot easier. Tip of the day. You can check HTML and CSS programming of any web page. Let me show you. Open your browser. Right-click on the very first page. Click on Inspect or Inspect Element. You can see the programming behind your web browser's home page. See? It's easy. You can check any web page's code just by following this method. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.